It's game day in the Taylor house. You can hear the festivities, and we are putting together a taco bar for lunch, and we're going to make ceviche. I have daughter Alana and grandson Alex. Is she your favorite auntie?
Yes.
Yes.
That's on camera.
Yeah, that's on camera.
That's official.
That's legit. So we're going to make ceviche, and I'm going to have you guys start by cutting some limes. And let's do it this way. I've started by chopping some tomatoes. I love this little cherry tomatoes. There's both the golden and the red in here. So we're going to start with that. And Alana, I'm going to let you work on chopping shrimp.
Okay.
There you go. And Alex, I need about half a cup of lime juice. So I'm going to let you cut those limes. We'll do that. It's Yahtzee!
Yahtzee! How do you want these shrimp cut?
Smallish pieces, because I have the most fun presentation for these things if it works out. If not, we're going to put the ceviche in a bowl and serve it with chips. But I have these cute little ice glasses that we're going to put the ceviche in to serve it, because it'll keep it cold and it'll look so pretty. Watch my fingers. And I'm going to need a quarter teaspoon of oregano. Mexican oregano would be great if you have it. And then I've chopped about a quarter of an onion. I'm going to put that in there. I want it pretty fine, because these are going to be bites that you're eating. And a pinch of salt. And Alex, whenever you get to about a half cup of lime juice, you can put that in there too.
Looking good.
Looking good. I think you're almost there. I'm going to borrow your knife. Carefully. Because I need to cut up a little cilantro that's going to go in here. Listen to the festivities.
Alright. Where do you want the shrimp at? In this bowl?
Right in there.
Alrighty. Yum.
One more lime.
One more lime on to do it. You're about there. Good job.
I'm going to wash my hands really quick.
Okay, Alex, do you like ceviche?
Never tried it.
All right. But you'll try anything, right?
Yes.
You pretty much. He might be picky, but he'll at least try stuff, which is great.
In here?
Just pour it in there. And Alana, if you want to put a little bit of salt, and then give that a good stir, I'm going to add just a little bit of jalapeno. I don't want to overwhelm people with heat, because I don't know what the heat level that people like here today is. So we're just going to be real gentle with this. And I'm going to very finely dice this jalapeno.
Alright. So pretty. All those colors.
Yeah.
Can you see?
Nice, nice. And here's the jalapeno, and then you can give it one more stir.
Alright. Perfect.
Did you add salt already?
Yes.
Okay. All right, so we need to let that set. I should mention, I poached shrimp. If you're going to use fish, you can just do it with the raw fish, but when you do shrimp, just to be on the safe side, I would poach it. So I poached it for 2 minutes, and then we're going to let it set and marinate in this, and probably in about an hour, we'll have some awesome ceviche. I'm going to add some avocado. We're going to plate it up in these cute little ice glasses. It's going to be so cute. Thanks, guys, for helping.
Yeah, of course. Thanks
right.
for having us.
Let the games proceed.
Let's do it.
What are you playing?
Tim's trying to teach Matt Sparkle at the same time.
All right, they're almost like ice shot glasses. They're done.
Yes.
So I thought that would be a really pretty display for these ceviche cups. And what I think we're going to do is, this is Tajin. If you just want to rim it in Tajin, they're really cold. And then we'll spoon a little bit of the ceviche.
Oh, that's so
isn't
pretty.
that cute?
Very cute.
Here's a smaller spoon.
Okay.
That'll work better. And your hands are going to freeze.
Yeah.
But this is adorable.
That's very pretty.
And then we'll serve these up.
Love it. Okay.
Here's another one ready to go.
Where'd you like these placed
We'll
at?
put them right in here for now.
Okay.
Okay, and we're just going to finish filling these, and then we're going to serve them to the game players as a little appetizer before we dig into our taco bar.
All right.
Oh, cute! Cute, cute. You can put some cilantro just on top.
Sounds good.
Decorate it. That's gorgeous.